Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by backing up everything on your Android phone to your PC. Use ADB or MTP to copy photos, contacts, and app data. Confirm you have at least 8 GB free on the PC drive for ROM and tools. Charge the phone to 50% or higher before starting any flashing tasks. Enable developer options and USB debugging in settings. Write down your current bootloader status and a may in case you need to restore later. Enable OEM unlocking in developer options to allow bootloader changes. Connect the phone to the PC with a USB cable and confirm Fastboot sees the device. Use Fastboot to unlock the bootloader with the official unlock command from the manufacturer. Download a compatible recovery such as TWRP and transfer recovery. IMG to your PC. Flash the recovery using Fastboot Flash Recovery IMG and then boot into recovery mode to verify successful installation. Copy the ROM. Zip and any required vendor or G-Apps packages to the phone or prepare to sideload via ADB. In custom recovery, perform a full data wipe, cache wipe, and Dalvik cache wipe before flashing. Flash the ROM. Zip and then flash any additional packages in the correct order. After flashing completes, clear caches and reboot the system to first boot. If everything functions, consider relocking the bootloader only after verifying stability and restoring your backups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.